Good day once again, folks. I'm back here for the third quiz. This is quiz number 3, review. Question 1, blank software helps run the computer and coordinates instructions between other software and the hardware devices. And the answer is system software. Number 2, using applications on smartphones and tablets to buy and sell products is known as, and basically known as blank commerce. I'm sorry, I left that word out there. That's known as mobile commerce. You've also heard the term e-commerce, but basically when you're looking at it, e-commerce could also include laptops and desktops. So mobile commerce deals with the smartphones and the tablets because it's more mobile. Okay, question number 3, which of the following is not a type of productivity software application? And on this one here, the correct answer is image editing, right? So it's not really a productivity software application, basically editing the images, right? As opposed to the other ones, which would be productivity software, word processing, personal information management, and spreadsheet. Question number 4, which is true about web-based application software? And here it says select one, and this one here, it's web-based. It says it's stored completely on a web server and instead of on your hard drive. So it does put some on your hard drive, but you still need to access the web if you want to get updates and so forth, right? So it is. It says here the answer is it is stored completely on a web server and instead of your hard drive. So D, yeah, it is stored completely. I'm sorry, it's stored completely on your hard drive. It may leave something on your hard drive to know that it's there and that you have access to it and property to it, but you're unable to use the program unless you are connected to the internet because it has to verify your identity every time you log in. Okay. Question number 5. All online word processing applications are fully featured as installed versions, and the answer is false. Question number 6. All files created by newer versions of software are readable by older versions of software, and that is false as well. They're not, it's the other way around. Typically, they can create, if they're created by older versions of software, they can be opened by newer versions. That's what they call backward compatible, right? Wizards are step-by-step guides for performing completed tasks in application software, and the answer is true. Number 9, desktop publishing software enables you to create newsletters and annual reports, and the answer is true. Microsoft Publisher would be an example of that. A full software installation enables you to choose which programs you want on your hard drive, and the answer is false. You would have to choose a custom installation. Question number 11. All of the following, I'm sorry, here I got a little ahead of myself. All of the following are examples of a database except for, and there the answer is OneNote. OneNote is the only one because that's the one that allows you to print to like a folder, and then you're able to print to it later, right? And let's see here. Software helps you manage email. Blank software helps you manage email, contacts, calendars, and tasks in the same application. And the answer is Personal Information Manager. Number 13. QuickBooks is an example of, and the answer would be accounting software. Probably the most popular accounting software in Belize right now. Most small to medium businesses use that. The correct answer, oops, I'm sorry, I missed one here. Oh, it's accounting, that was correct. That was it. Number 14. Microsoft, the answer is OneDrive is a cloud storage and file sharing service. That's correct. So it's Microsoft owns OneDrive, not something called Drive, and not iCloud, and not Dropbox. Okay. Which of the following is the most common audio compression format? And the answer would be MP3. Right? The other ones, the WAV file and WMA are both real files, but they're not as popular as MP3. The file format known as portable document format was invented by Microsoft. No, that was invented by Adobe, and that's PDF. They came out with that file there. At 17, application software helps run the computer and coordinates instructions with hardware, and that's incorrect. The operating system does that, so the answer is false. Number 18. 18 is wizards are step-by-step guides for performing complicated tasks in application software, and the answer is true. That sounds like a question I've heard before, but you got way there. If you got it correct both times, good for you. Files in Windows are file names in Windows are case sensitive, and that is incorrect, right? Windows, it doesn't matter whether you use all caps, whether you use all lowercase, uppercase, or a combination of either. You cannot have two files with the same name if they have the same letters in them, right? So if you have a file called My Homework, you can't basically have that same file again with the same thing with it, regardless of the case. Then you have the last question, which is Facebook Connect is one of the most popular instant messaging services, and the answer is false, right? So you have a lot more. You have instant messenger, Facebook Instant Messenger would be one of the most popular. So I'm not sure if the Facebook Connect is actually even a instant messaging service. That's it, folks. That's quiz number 3. So we'll be back for quiz number 4 when it's time. Thank you.